Kasarkar Meghalaya kalau pentip baharingkat kijing dawa bandon da kijing toket ke bakerpang lingba ke Central Agency ke Banadongba Delhi ke Central Bureau of Investigation ke baki dawa nau menteri ketenat kampo yeng jong ke sarkar kme kaladap bantau shwa da kijing toket lingba ke Special Investigation Team jong ketenat pulet ke jela badru da Judicial Inquiry ke ba unclear da Retired Justice uti vaipai hak bayadai ba jingshah siatïap kisan ngut kirang ba hak snong mukro hak ar pa tarik unai wing arjar ar hak kitang suloi jong Pulit Assam. Habakran sikilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ke jela ukondrat kes sangma ula pentip baya ke kes ke batokit da ke Special Investigation Team jong ke jela ans aiti nok pat syaka CBI kenang banlap yik jingshah baro.
When we met the Honorable Home Minister, he used the word immediately. So therefore, it'll be coming out from the Government of India. But as I said, we were informed and we were told by the Honorable Home Minister that it will be done immediately. In fact, he had told us that he will immediately put it out in press, that they are going to constitute it. But of course, as I said, it's Government of India. But we will press on them that it should be done ASAP. So I'll be speaking to Home Secretary again today. We have already put up a judicial inquiry being headed by Justice Vaipai. So we have already announced, and this has been the larger overall demand that has come from everybody, that there should be a CBI inquiry by a central agency, and that's why we moved ahead with it. As I said, we have set up our own SIT, but this SIT will hand over the case to the CBI.